Hi everyone. Do you ever feel tired from always checking your phone? Like the screen is the one controlling you. Good morning, everyone. Today, let's talk about taking a breather with our tech timeout digital detox. It's a simple 7-day reset to help us build healthier, smarter habits with our gadgets. Why do we need this break? A digital detox helps us use our phones and computers in a wiser, more intentional way. It lowers stress, eases the overwhelming feeling of constant screen time, and teaches us how to use technology more safely and responsibly. Our 7-day challenge gives you small, doable tasks each day. We start by making a simple plan for the week. You can turn off unnecessary notifications, enjoy meals without your phone, and step outside with your family for a breath of fresh air. Some days focus on concentrations, other on cleaning your digital space, and some on checking in with how you really feel in that week. And what do you actually gain from all this? Better focus, better productivity, less stress, and a clearer mind. When your brain feels less cluttered, it becomes easier to build good tech habits that last. So, one personally, I shared this. I step away from screens when online stuff with my friends started to feel negative. So that short break of me helped me think clearly again and feel calmer. That's the kind of fresh start this detox can give anyone. So when I encourage you to join the Tech Timeout Digital Detox Challenge. Take charge of how you use technology, one small step at a time. Your mind and your mood well. Thank you very much at a time.